Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make stickers on Discord. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open up Discord, then you have to go on your server, and in this pop-up you will go with the settings, and here you will see emoji. Just hit on emoji, and here you have to hit on upload emoji. Go with your file manager, and here we will select an image for emoji. It is better in PNG format to create emoji over here. Then you have to hit on done. Adjust it if needed, but for now I don't think there is any adjustment needed over here. So I will go with this check mark, and it's done. If I go in any of my server, so in this message bar I will go with emoji, and here you can see my emoji has been uploaded. So I can select and I can send to this emoji to anyone, and it's done, guys. This is how you can make stickers on Discord. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.